Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Instagram. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Instagram on a device and tap Sign Up with email address or phone number. On this page, you can choose to either sign up with your phone number or email address. You can also choose to sign up with Facebook. In this video, we will be using our phone number. So enter your phone number and tap Next. It is time to add your details. So enter your full name and create a password. Now you can choose to either sync your contacts or continue without syncing your contacts. Tap the one you prefer. On this page, select your date of birth and tap Next. Your account is almost ready. The auto-generated username will be shown. If you want to change your username, tap Change Username. You can also change it later. So, tap Sign Up. Next, if you want to connect to your Facebook account, tap Connect Facebook. You can also skip this step and tap Skip on the pop-up. Similarly, add your profile picture. Tap Add a photo and select a picture. You can also share your profile picture as a post and tap Next. Here, select the people you want to follow and tap the arrow at the top. And that's how you sign up for Instagram. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.